Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to build a site with Google Sites. First, all you need to do is head over to Google Sites and you'll be brought to this page. From here, you can either decide to choose a blank site or head over to the template gallery where you can select from a load of different sites that Google has to offer. I will select, for example, an event. Now you can see here, I have added the template. I have lots of different things that I can change. You can see all of the things that I have here on the right. I can add, for example, collapsible groups, table of contents, etc. I can also just delete that so it's not in my way. I can move things around depending on where I want them. As you can see, I can change everything. I can change fonts, change colors, add links, create hyperlinks. A lot of different things that I can do, and Google Sites makes it super easy. If, for example, you want multiple people to be working on the site at once, over here in the top right, you'll be able to see share with others. From here, you can select, for example, anyone with the link to edit the draft. Once you're done creating your site and you're happy with how it looks, all you need to do is click on publish. From here, you can add whatever web address you would like. You'll see at the beginning, it says https://sites.google. That will be at the beginning of your website. Or you can select a full custom domain. Once you've either added your web address to the top or added a custom domain, you'll see if it's available, and if it is, you can just then click on publish, and that's it. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments below. Thank you for watching.